Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and this is the tutorial for my Heize Happen Uyeon or Happen inspired nail art design. I'm going to be painting my index fingernail green, my middle fingernail beige, my ring fingernail white, my pinky fingernail blue, and my thumbnail black. The index fingernail design is inspired by the clocks that are hanging in Joongki's room, and both of them are frozen or stuck at the same time and they're not moving. And I think that kind of represents the stalemate that the female and the male are in the relationship, and just kind of how they are like afraid to take the chance and this will just pass as a happening. In other words, a coincidence. The middle fingernail design is inspired by the train ride scene that's kind of like in the middle or towards the end of the video, and so we have Joongki kind of closer to the camera and then Heize in the background, so this design definitely plays on perspective, and I thought this was a very important scene in the video because it shows that even though they're at the same place and at the in the same time, they will still miss each other, and that happens to us like all the time. We may pass by someone who could potentially be our soulmate or just someone who we could be very close to, but we never take the chance, and so it just passes by as if nothing happened. And because Joongki is closer and bigger, of course I paid more attention to the details and the shading, whereas for Heize, her outfit is a lot simpler and I just paid more attention to the hair. They're also looking in different directions, which means that they want different things and therefore it won't work out, and so that just means that it's a coincidence and not fate. For the ring fingernail design, I wrote Heize and song. Heize for Heize, of course, and song for Joongki, as they are written on the coffee cup shown in the video. And I thought this was very important because it just shows that their paths kept crossing, but they didn't really have the courage to go forward from there. For the pinky fingernail, I did a blue gradient and I sponged it on until I got the blend that I liked. And then I stippled on a bit of sheer white polish in different sizes and shapes for the clouds. And for the thumbnail, I just wrote happen across the nail horizontally. I started with white polish and I will be coloring in the letters with yellow polish. This is just to make the yellow pop off of the black background. And you guys probably already guessed it, but I was anticipating Heize's comeback because of Joongki's appearance in the video, but I did end up really enjoying this song, and my favorite part is definitely the bridge, which translates to maybe with memories erased we were once one but now we are two, within the tiny dot we call destiny we lived on in search for one another. Now that I'm done, I'm just applying a thick layer of top coat to seal off all the designs. And that is my completed Heize Happen Uyeon or Happen inspired nail art design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, as I really liked this song and I wanted to create something fun and pretty for it, and I of course also really liked Joongki's appearance in the video. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.